Hey everyone, welcome back to our coding journey. Today we are diving into the valid palindrome problem using Dart. Let's understand the problem first and then we will explore how we can solve it using Dart. Palindromes are sequence of characters that read the same forward and backwards like a race car or level. In this problem, we are given a string with alphanumeric characters. Our task is to determine if it is a valid palindrome, ignoring cases and non-alphanumeric characters. Here is an example: a man, a plan, a canal, and Panama. We have to remove all the alphanumeric characters like the space and the comma. After that, convert the uppercase letters to lowercase letters. We will convert A to lower and P to lower. After that, we will join the string, ignoring the spaces, and then we will check if the first element and the last element of the string matches, and then so on. Okay, so let's do that with jumping in the code. Here I have a function is palindrome which will receive a string and will return a bool. If it is a palindrome, if the given string is a palindrome, it will return true, and if the given string is not a palindrome, it will return false. First we have to convert the string into lowercase. For that we will do this as start to lowercase. Okay. After that, we also have to remove all the alphanumeric characters. For that, we will use the function replace all. Replace all. In this function, we have to pass a regex expression. In Dart, we use regex expression to remove all the alphanumeric or any specific pattern. For that, we will use the regex expression class, regexp. This receives a pattern. The pattern specifies which of the things you want to remove or which of the things you want to match with this pattern. We want to remove all the things except 0 to 9 and A to Z. This OR specifies that they treat the string as a raw string. Now we will specify a pattern. Here I will type A to Z 0 to 9. What this regex expression will do is it will match all the strings with these patterns, and then it will negate, meaning that all the strings with commas, with white spaces, and all the other non-alphanumeric stuff will be matched. And then we also have to pass an extra argument to replace all function to replace all the matched things with a certain pattern. We want to remove all the strings that are matched by the regex expression pattern. For that purpose, I will pass empty quotes. So this is done. Our string is converted to lowercase and all the non-alphanumeric characters are removed. Next, I will declare two variables, left and right, or you can say pointers. I will initialize the left to the beginning of the string and right with the ending of the string. For that, let's declare the pointers int left, and I will initialize with the beginning of the string, and int right I will initialize it to the end of the string. For that we have to take the length of the string and -1. For example, in this specific example, the left will be initialized with this number, okay, with this index of the string, and the length of the string is suppose 21, and it will be initialized with the 20 index. As you know, in Dart language, the array or the string start with the index 0. So if the length of this string is 21, then there are the indexes from 0 to 20. So I have initialized left with the starting of the string and right with the ending of the string. Next, I will declare a while loop. It will run until the left is smaller than the right. A while loop is used to iterate through the string until the left pointer is less than the right pointer. Inside the loop, if the characters at left and the right pointers are not equal, return false, indicating it is not a palindrome. Inside the loop, if characters at left and right pointers are not equal, return false, indicating it is not a palindrome. So let's do that. If string of left is not equal to string of right, we will return from the function by returning false, indicating that the given string is not a palindrome. If they both are equal, for example, our left is initialized with this index and our right is initialized with this index, this if will check if a is not equal to string of right, because they are equal, so if condition will not run, it will come after if. After if, we will just increment left and we will decrement right. What these both lines do is move the left pointer to the right and right pointer to the left in each iteration. In the next iteration, the left will be initialized to m and right will be initialized with m, because we are moving left pointer or incrementing left pointer and we are decrementing right point. If the loop completes without returning false, return true, indicating that it is a palindrome. This will indicate that our given string is a palindrome. Let's run the code. Okay, here we are getting an error. Let's see. Oh, we have missed an single quote over here. Okay, let's run again. Our case 1 is accepted, case 2 is accepted, and case 3 accepted. So our cases are accepted. Now we can finally submit the solution. Our solution is also accepted. That's it for the Dart implementation of valid palindrome problem. It is simple yet interesting problem to solve. Stay tuned for more coding adventures.